OSPRI and the predecessor Animal Health Board's done research for decades, and I think we're coming to a point now where we are very much focused on operationalising the research that we're doing. It's far more applied. We've got the field teams here today, and we're starting to push that out to those people at the coalface.
Invico have now been working with OSPRI for about a year now. We've been working really collaboratively to work out what the problems are that technology might be able to solve. Here we build big heavy lift drone systems, unmanned helicopters, suitable for conducting conservation biosecurity work, as well as smaller systems or even machine learning within drones and automated ground devices.
Yeah, so the technology's been great. So it's intuitive. They're smart units. They're quite easy to operate. So you can use this technology straight out of the box with minimal training. We've been developing payload systems specific for drones. What we wanted to do is just scale the ability of what drones were capable of spreading, and also utilising the precision or the accuracy that comes with that technology as well. In terms of impact, or the data that you actually get back from these tools is immense. What that means is that they can effectively pull out a small drone from their vehicle, go and monitor a small pocket of land up to about 100 hectares, and then identify if there's a need to go there and do applications or not. For the Possum Spitfire, what we've developed is a fence line tool that can effectively be placed out in the forest or into an environment and last 12 months or for 100 shots.
What is exciting is the speed with which, hopefully with which we're getting feedback in terms of what's there and the impact we're having. That speed should go up no end, I think. Now that we've got a closer goal of eradication of TB in herds in 2026, we're ramping up the speed with which we're needing to eradicate this disease. If we can get to a place where we can survey an area using a drone, cover thousands of hectares in no time at all with a thermal camera, bring it back, pretty much count the number of possums there, that's a real game changer for us. I hope that we can start operationalising all of that this year. We're going to start trialling their Spitfire trap. Very exciting times, actually, very exciting.